Sa final stage na ginawang video ng Pinoy Big Brother na nakapost sa kanilang page, si Fiang pa rin ang nangunguna sa may pinakamaraming views, pinakamaraming nag-comment at pinakamaraming nag-share. Pero ang nakakagulat, dahil naungusan na ni Colette, si Kai. Nangunguna si Fiang with 1.8 million of views, 41,100 comments, and 11,200 shares. At ang sumunod sa kanya, si Colette, with almost 1 million views na. Meron din siyang 13,000 comments and 2,100 shares. Si Kai naman na nasa third spot na with 656,000 views, 3,900 comments, and 1,900 shares. At still nasa last spot si Rin with 391,000 views, 1,100 comments, and 643 shares. Hindi na nagulat ang mga netizens kay Fiang at kay Rin dahil si Fiang yung laging nangunguna in terms of views and si Rin naman ang lagi nasa huling spot. Pero ngayon nagulat ang lahat dahil mas nangunguna na ngayon si Colette kumpara kay Kai. Before kasi, laging nakasunod si Kai kay Fiang pagdating sa views, comments, and shares. Ano nga ba ang dahilan? Ayon pa sa laging nakasubaybay sa Pinoy Big Brother, dahil daw umingay ngayon si Colette. Dumami kasi ang bashers ni Colette sa ginawang tapatan kung saan marami ang nagsabi na mataas ang tingin nito sa sarili na parang mayordoma. Kaya nga tinawag na nila itong Miss Perfect. Kaya medyo may mga tao nang naging interesado about kay Colette na siyang dahilan kung bakit naungusan niya si Kai. So, happy na Colette? Ay, joke lang pala. Hindi pala ako si Bianca. By the way guys, ito yung isa sa mga napipili nating rason kung bakit ito yung naging big winner nila. Unahin natin si Fiang. Actions louder than words. Dapat pusong Pinoy talaga. Magbase dapat sa kanta ng Pinoy Big Brother na kumakatawan sa pagkatao ng isang housemates. Marunong, masipag at may kusa dapat sa gawaing bahay. Responsable, marunong makisama at makibagay. Hindi puro English na lang, kaya nga Pinoy. Helpful, may care, concern, at fair sa lahat ng mga kasamahan. Madiskarte, matapang, marunong at hindi sumuko sa mga bawat task, pero may mga natutunan. Marunong lumaban at tumanggap ng pagkatalo. Yung may kapupulutan ng aral sa mga kinikilos at mga sinasabi, tapos nag-i-improve at nag-a-accept kung ano ang sasabihin ng mga kasamahan. Napaka-humble, nagbigay saya at kulay talaga sa bahay ni Kuya at mga manunood. Basta higit sa lahat, wag playing safe. Judgmental at hindi backstabber. May angking talino at galing. Walang tinatagong pagkatao para lang hindi maging masama sa manunood at mga kasamahan. Yung ibang housemates, naghihintay at kikilos lang kapag may mga task na. Pero pagdating sa ibang gawain, wala nang ginagawa. Hindi selfish, may pasensya, pangunawa o pag-intindi sa mga kasamahan at may nagawa talaga sa loob ng bahay. Huwag sana magbase lang sa kung ano ang estado sa buhay. Paano kung pumasok dyan lahat mahirap o lahat mayaman? Be fair lang sa lahat. Hindi naman talaga perfecto sa lahat, basta nagpakatotoo lang sa lahat kung ano ang mga sinasabi at ipinakita niya sa loob ng Pinoy Big Brother na kung ano din siya sa labas. Hindi lang sana dapat magbase sa percent ng mga vote ng mga taong bayan dahil unfair. Yun kapag walang-wala talagang pang-vote, yung iba na gustong bumoto, tapos yung mananalo parang may mas deserving pa sa kanya dahil sa base ng vote. Dapat, base din sa mga task, challenges na may natutunan at total real personality na pinakita niya sa loob at labas man ng Pinoy Big Brother na nadidevelop yung karakter at naging matatag sa lahat. I don't mention any name po and I don't say any bad words from them. Lahat naman sila talaga deserving na maging big winner. Sa tingin nyo talaga sino po ang karapat-dapat at total package na pinaka-deserving talaga maging Pinoy Big Brother sa PBB Gen 11. At ang sumunod naman ay si Kai. At only 17, she has shown remarkable maturity. Her intelligence and logical thinking shine brightly, revealing a mind that processes challenges with clarity and depth. What impresses us most is her ability to approach situations with empathy and understanding, always refraining from judgment, which speaks volumes about her character. It's clear that Kai's upbringing has instilled in her the values of respect and kindness, enabling her to navigate complex dynamics with grace. She embodies a competitive spirit, yet maintains a level of class that is rare to find. Watching her tackle challenges head in while remaining poised is inspiring. Kai is not just a strong competitor. She is a true role model, deserving of every bit of recognition she's receiving right now. We believe she is truly deserving to be the big winner of this season. We will support you. Keep shining, Kai. Your journey is just beginning, and we can't wait to see where it takes you. At ito naman para kay Colette. To everyone who believes that Colette does not deserve a place in the Big Four, I urge you to reconsider. Your judgment is misguided. Colette has proven herself time and again, rising from the day she auditioned among thousands to become one of the chosen few. This achievement is not simply a stroke of luck. It reflects her immense talent, hard work, and dedication. From her initial audition, she showcased a unique skill set that set her apart. It's essential to recognize that reaching this level requires not just talent, but also resilience, commitment, and the ability to overcome challenges. Colette has faced her share of obstacles and has continually pushed herself to improve, demonstrating the kind of determination that truly deserves recognition. So instead of criticizing her, we should celebrate her accomplishments and acknowledge the effort she has put into this journey. Everyone has their own path, and Colette's success is a testament to her hard work and passion. Let's support her and encourage one another, fostering a community where talent and dedication are appreciated and rewarded. Colette truly deserves her place in the Big Four, and it's time we all recognize that. To all the insecure bashers, it's time to reflect on your words. Criticizing others reveals more about your own insecurities than their achievements. Instead of tearing people down, support and uplift one another. Focus on your journey and channel any frustration into self-improvement. Let's create a positive community where we encourage each other rather than spread negativity. And last but not the end, si Rain, our big winner. The true good role model sa kabataan, kukunti yung highlights pero minahal ng tao kahit sa ibang bansa. And Rain is one of the housemates na hindi toxic ang fandom. Silent supporters and naadam nila yung ugali ni Rain to be a nice person kahit the world is so. Our big winner, Rain Jean Silmar, ang cheerful langga ng Cebu.
Am I really there?